These are some nature-made arts. Yes, nature has made this incredible art. I have just cut it out from the tea bushes. Those are planted more than 100 years ago. These cedar tea bushes pruned several times and usually developed their stems and gradually grafted each other and formed different and peculiar shape. I have just cut it from here, from here, from here, without damaging their barks, without reshaping their and without damaging their colors. These are evergreen, ever new, and ever unique because nature has made this. I have already given their name. This is rhythm. It is joy. The observer. A busy squirrel. A reluctant labor carrying his load. A shame on my pregnancy. And this is Teshguru. Teshguru was imagined by Sukumar Roy, father of Satyajit Ray. He imagined an animal and named Teshguru. Struggle for nothingness. This is pouring. This is sex and its hunger. Sex and hunger. Dancing with disc. And it's Alif Laila. Thousands of fairy tales stored here, and the storyteller is telling those like Arabian Night.
Alif Layla, Alif Layla.